Welcome to today's tutorial on how to start a video call on Gmail using your PC. With the recent updates, it's easier than ever to connect with friends and colleagues. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. Sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your inbox, ready to connect you with your contacts. Next, look to the right side of your screen for the sidebar menu. Here you'll find the Contacts option. Click on it to open your address book. This is where all your saved contacts are located, making it simple to find the person you wish to video call. Now browse through your contacts list and choose the individual you'd like to connect with. Once you find the contact, click on their name to open their details. Here comes the exciting part. Look for the video call icon, which typically resembles a small camera. Click on that icon, and your video call will initiate. Depending on your internet speed and settings, within moments you'll be face-to-face, ready for a conversation. And there you have it. Starting a video call on Gmail using your PC is that straightforward. This new update streamlines the process and makes it easier to stay connected with the people who matter most. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy video calling!